Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You are on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video, but before I show you the product and we get into the testing and tutorial or vice video, I just want to go into the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is, if you like the video, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Any of the content, any of the advice, any of the products, then let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and then I know what you want to see I need to bring, and we can go from there. And I've got loads more to come. If you are not a subscriber to tazwells12 already, then you can subscribe for absolutely free and sign up to YouTube for absolutely free, and then you can join the little love family and my YouTube journey as we go along. To the subscribers that have already joined, then thank you very much. Video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I do mention. This is all out of my own money, and it's just an advice video for you guys. Please do not think it is sponsored, because it is not in any way. Please check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram. So you have got tazwells12, which is my normal account, and then tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you would like to do, please. I'd be grateful. Now this is everything, we can get on to the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is Makeup Revolution London, in one of SOPH's lipsticks. So this is actually one of her lipsticks that came out of her first exclusion of products. There was quite a lot. There was a couple of lipsticks that all look really nice, and there was also an eyeshadow palette, and I think I have reviewed that eyeshadow palette. If I can find a video for that, I will definitely link it down below, because them palettes are good. I've got another one to review of hers. I think it's the second one. I think she's brought out 3, but I've got 2 of hers, and they're really good products. This is in SOPH Revolution, and this is in the colour Syrup. I really love the packaging, love this rose gold, love that she's just put her name on very slightly, just with like a little bit of white writing, and it's very compact. It's like tiny little lipstick, so it'd be really good to just put in your makeup bag, and also, and if you're going out for the night. And this is what the colour looks like. So it's this beautiful brown, and then also, if you can tiny see, get it in the light, it's got her name on it. So I have actually used this a couple of times, but I have never reviewed it on this channel, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity, because I do like this lipstick, and it's very nice. And then yeah, she's got her little bit on there, and I've opened up the curtain because the sun has gone behind the trees, so this is really good, because now I've got more natural lighting, which is nice. So I'm actually going to use a lip liner with this, because I was debating whether to or not, because normally sometimes I will be in a rush and I would just whack it on, but I thought, you know what, let's do the proper process and put a lip liner on, because you know what, it might teach me sometimes to like not rush out the house, try and do it a little bit earlier and use a lip liner. Lip liner I'm going to use is the one from the PS lip liner pencil, and this is in Biscuit. The tiny little writing here, it says Biscuit. I think this is one of their newer versions. I can't get hold of some of these, but hopefully maybe soon when I go shopping again. But that's what the lip liner looks like. So I just thought I'd go for a little lighter colour. It might not show up, but it's best to maybe put a lip liner on so maybe the lipstick does not bleed. That is all the products. So I am just going to clip my hair up, and I just think it's a lot more easy. I know I could just do it here, but I think sometimes clipping my hair up is a lot more, like you can see it very clearly what I'm doing. So I'm going to clip that up, and then we'll be back to test the SOPH Revolution one in Syrup. Hair is all clipped up, so we will get on and use the lip liner first. My lips are a little bit dry, but this should come up on it and it should work. So I always go on the bottom lip, because that's my fullest lip. So I will try and do this as quick as possible. Like, that's the colour. So it's not like an over massive colour, but I thought, you know what, like I said, it's best to put a lip liner on so it doesn't bleed. That's just a very natural colour, but that's all we were doing it to put on. So now we will actually test the product. So again, bottom lip. And these are really creamy, so they're really, really good match to like easy. And I think that's kind of blended in, so that's nice. Actually, that was quite a good little colour match, I think. Very, very creamy, as you can see. So this is in the natural light. You can see what the colour lipstick does. It's very, very nice. It's like a nice, like little brown sort of moment, which I actually really like, because again, I always say this, it always looks like it will look really, really nice with like a really like orangey eye or a really browny eye. But I always say that because everything does go with a brown eye, and we all know this, to be honest. It's not something that's new. Most products will go with a brown eye. But because this is like a natural colour, you could like have a nice smoky eye, and then you could have a nice bit of contour. So you could have it use a bit of greys and blacks into your smoky eye, and then you could have this natural lip and it would just look really, really nice. So that's what the colours look like. I'm just going to take my hair down and then we can give it a nice verdict. We can probably give both products a verdict, even though I'm not going to say about both products, but we will give both products a verdict. Back now and my hair's down. I love it when I have my fringe down. I think it makes such a big difference to my face shape, I think, and sometimes my makeup looks a lot nicer, if that makes sense. That's just my personal opinion and that's how I feel comfortable. But so review this product totally, but I just want to say quickly about this product, because the PS lip liner pencil in Biscuit, absolutely love the lip liners from Primark. They're really, really good. They literally was only £1. Like I said, I've been in a previous video that I've had really hard times to find these. Like the last couple of times I've gone in there to look for some lip liners, just to have a few more different ones for sort of these videos, or sort of like the lipsticks I do generally want to use like every single day. These are really good for £1, and hopefully I will be able to find more. So these are just a rating in total of a thumbs up. But now we'll get onto the main product. So we'll get onto the main product with the Revolution X SOPH lipstick in syrup. What do you think I'm going to say? Well, I'm going to say a massive thumbs up. I love this product. I think it looks really, really nice. I kind of wish I picked some of our other little lipsticks up, because they were all like sort of natural nudes and it looked really, really pretty. But it looked pretty like the three of them. Can't remember how much they were at the time, because I actually picked this up originally for the normal price. I can't remember that at the time. To be fair, these are really nice. They're really creamy. The pigment's there. It's worked really nice with that cheap lip liner from Primark. So you know what, this could be an everyday lipstick. It could be a night lipstick. It could be a going out lipstick. Like, you've got quite a different adaptable little bits with this, and I know it's definitely a thumbs up, because I love this, and sometimes I do use this as my everyday lipstick and when I'm going out. that is my verdict for the product. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the Revolution X SOPH lipstick in syrup, and my verdict was a thumbs up. You might be thinking as well, I just want to mention that you think that I'm rating a lot of these products, but there has been times where I have actually in these videos had like thought they were going to be absolutely fantastic, and then they've really disappointed me and I've had to chuck them away. So there is videos that I have actually said a maybe to or a thumbs down, so don't think that I'm literally saying thumbs up to every single product because I want to promote things or I want to get out there. It's not at all. There has been some that I really do hate, and it's really disappointed me because I thought they were going to be really good. I just wanted to note that in there quickly. But if you like the product, or you like the video, or you like the advice I'll give you, or the content, then please do give it a massive thumbs up, because like I said, it lets me know what you want to see, lets me know what you like, and then I can improve as we go along, because you are my best critics of my videos. Your advice will give me what I can do to move forward and make videos better. If you would like to subscribe to, and you like my content, and you like my 10th video, my 200th video, then please do not forget to subscribe to tazwells12. Sign up to YouTube absolutely free. Subscribe to tazwells12 and the Love Family absolutely free, and you can join us on my YouTube journey with all of my other subscribers that I thankfully have joined me. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention. It is all out of my own money, and an advice video for you guys, just to show you what the products are like and how they pay off. So yeah, just an advice video. If you could check my other social medias out, which is the one on Twitter or the two on Instagram, check, like, follow, comment, whatever you would like to do, they're absolutely great. Check my previous videos out too on YouTube, because there's loads more of these review testing tutorial videos, so definitely check all them out. That is everything. I'm going to stop rambling as always, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.